Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
I'm going to show you step by step how to keep your Facebook page secure on your device. If you manage a business page, creator page, or any professional Facebook page, these security settings are very important because they help protect your page from hackers, fake admins, unauthorized access, and bans. Let's go ahead and get started. Step 1 is to check who has access to your Facebook page. First, open Facebook on your laptop browser and sign into the personal Facebook account that manages your page. Once you're on Facebook home screen, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select See All Profiles, then switch into the Facebook page that you manage. Once Facebook changes over and you are now interacting as the page, click on your profile page again. On the left side, you should see several menu options. Find and click on Settings. Now, inside the Settings menu, look for New Pages Experience. Or if you can find New Page Experience, you can just scroll down and look for Page Setup or Pages Setup, then tap on that. Now, once you click that, under your name, you need to click on Page Access and open it. This section shows every person and business account connected to your Facebook page. You may see full admins, people with Facebook access, task access users, or connected business assets. Now, carefully review each name listed here. Every person shown in this area has some level of control over your page. If you notice someone who should not have access anymore, maybe an old employee, a former marketing assistant, or a previous agency, click on their access profile and choose Remove. So, Facebook may ask you to confirm your password before removing them. Now, if you still need someone to help with posting or moderation, do not always give them full Facebook access. Instead, assign task access only so they can help manage content without controlling ownership or deleting the page. This is the first major security step. Step 2 is to review your page management history. While you are still in this settings area, locate the option called Page Management History, then click on that. This section records major changes made on your Facebook page. For example, if someone changed the page username, updated ownership, edited contact information, or added another admin, Facebook logs those actions in here. So you can check those in here and scroll through this section and make sure nothing suspicious has happened. This is a very useful place to check whenever you feel like something on the page was changed without your permission. Step 3 is to turn on two-factor authentication for your personal Facebook account. Now, this is important because Facebook page is controlled by your personal profile. So if someone gets into your main Facebook account, they can also get access to your page, right? So to protect that, go back to the top right corner and click on your profile picture again. This time, choose Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Now, once the settings page opens, click on Meta Account Center. Now, inside Account Center, you have a lot of options here. So click on Password and Security. Then choose two-factor authentication. Facebook will show you the Facebook account connected under Meta. So click on that account. Now choose the method you want Facebook to use for login verification. So the easiest option is text message, where Facebook sends a code to your phone whenever someone tries to log in. You can also use an authenticator app for even stronger security. So just follow the setup instructions and complete the verification process. After this is enabled, nobody can log into your Facebook account with only your password. They would also need the extra security code, so this makes it much harder for hackers to break in, right? Facebook may also provide backup recovery codes during setup, so make sure to save those somewhere safe, like notes. So, step 4 is to check if advanced protection is available on your account. So, inside Meta Account Center and remain under Password Security, look for the security options and see if you have one called Advanced Protection. If you see it, click on that. Advanced Protection is Facebook's stronger anti hack security program that adds stricter account monitoring, stronger warnings, and additional protection checks. So, to enable it, Facebook may ask you to complete a short security review. This can include verifying your phone number, confirming your email address, or updating your password. So, just continue through each step until Facebook says the protection is turned on. Step 5 is to remove unknown login devices. So, still under password and security, click on the section called Where You're Login. Facebook will now show all computers, browsers, phones, and tablets currently signed into your account. So, carefully review the list. If you see a device you do not recognize or an old device you no longer use, just click on it and choose Log Out. So that is very important. This immediately removes that device from your Facebook account and helps stop hidden access. And then the final step is to strengthen your Facebook password. So, still in password and security, click on Change Password. If your current password is weak, you need to replace it with a stronger one using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid simple passwords like birthdays or easy number combinations. So, a stronger password plus two factor authentication gives your Facebook page much better security. So, those are the main steps to keep your Facebook page secure. So, again, check page access, review page management history, turn on two factor authentication, enable advanced protection if available, remove unknown devices, and strengthen your password. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Still posting manually in every Facebook group? You're wasting hours doing something AI can handle in seconds. Meet Groupster. This tool lets you post to all your Facebook groups in one click, automatically rewrite your content using AI, stay consistent without burning out, grow your page faster with less effort. No more copy paste, no more repetitive posting, no more wasted time. Imagine reaching multiple groups daily while doing nothing. If you're building a Facebook page or business in 2026, this is a must have. What are you waiting for? Go to getgroupster.in.